Hello and what's up everyone, I'm back again with another video tutorial. So today's video tutorial is about how to increase the quality of your image. Let's say you have a low resolution image, so how you can increase its quality. So the first thing that you need to do is go to this website. The link is in the description. Now what you need to do is open this website and go to the tools and go to image upscaler. Now here you would be greeted by this window. So as you can see here, if I scroll down, you see that they explain the features of their website. That basically what they do is they upscale, enlarge the image that you upload. So it uses AI to upscale the quality of the image, the resolution of the image. So for that, what you need to do is basically here you can see that there says choose a photo. Click on that and select a photo from your computer and just simply go and open it. It's gonna take some time to upload it depending on the size of the photo again and your internet connection. So once the loading is done, it's then gonna process it and bam, there you got the quality of your picture. As you can see, the photo that uploaded is pretty low resolution. And then on the next side, on the other side, on the right side, you can see that this is the processed picture that the AI has processed, and as you can see, there is a drastic change in the quality. So yeah, that's how you can upscale your images online for free, right? And here you can see I can zoom in by opening the picture in the Windows photo viewer, and if I open the other picture in the photo viewer, you can see that it is drastic change. Yeah, some blur, some Gaussian blur and stuff is applied, but as you can see, the AI has generated a very well quality of upscaled image that we had. So yeah, that's pretty much it from this video. I hope you liked this video and you found it helpful. If you did, please drop a like, comment and subscribe for more videos like this one. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.